This is Andy with QualityStocks. Today's Tuesday, March 1st, 2011, and today we're going to take a look at LI3 Energy Inc. It's a NASDAQ bulletin board stock trading their ticker LIEG. It's a great climb recently. It's a pretty large inverted head and shoulders pattern. This side would be the left shoulder. There's your head. There's your right shoulder. And the breakout back through this 35-cent area. Nice overall look to it. Good pattern. Strong overall uptrend in the MACD continuing. You can see holding over top of zero. Little bit of a retrace happening as it was kind of setting up a support level right through here. Basically a flag pattern since this last move. Looks like it's going to try and break out of it now. So the possibility of the bearish cross didn't happen with the MACD. Looks like it's going to roll back off the signal line and continue north. Histogram bar increased slightly a little bit yesterday, telling you that's happening. Very similar look to the PPO bouncing off the signal line. ADX in a strong trend. MFI is holding well over 50. Again, there's a very bullish chart holding that area, breaking back through 80. A lot of strength holding in the MFIs. See a very strong uptrend in the accumulation distribution. And look for that top to fall at this point. Right through there, I want to see it make a new higher high. There's a nice uptrend in the shaken money flow, giving hints that another move may be coming. Buying pressure has certainly turned dominant. Turned back up again over the last few days. There's more buying pressure than selling pressure in this stock. CCI followers, that break of 100 is the buy point again. Full stow holding over 80. A lot of strength, a lot of momentum to this stock. Tricks, what you look for. Higher highs, which we got right through here. You want to see this make its turn and roll. It is getting to pretty high levels at this point, but holding well over top of zero. We just want to see this continue. Again, it's a lagging indicator. The price can make its move before the Trix is going to make its. Nice look for the potential breakout right through this area with the RSIs. Heading up into the power zone. See, even the 14 is just broken through up to 71. And the 21 is close behind at 67. All three of those in the power zone could be a pretty strong move. We're looking for on the downside on any sort of pullbacks. Hold 38 cents. Pretty good support level through there. You can see historically it ties in. Very strong support back here last July and August. So I'd really look for that to hold. The breakout that came yesterday, you can see volume was pretty decent. Like to see a little bit more come into it, but 300,000 shares traded. Moved through that resistance at 43 as well as 44. You can see that ties right back in, right where it is right now, to again this historic resistance level. So you're going to keep an eye on this to try and continue to push north. Still inside the Bollinger Bands, which is a great thing to see for potential continuation of the move. When it gets outside of it, I get a little bit leery. I figure it's only got a couple days left in it before it's going to want to at least turn sideways and pull back inside the bollies. But right now, still holding inside of them. Strong potential for it to make another move. On a play like this is where I start watching that pink line, that 10-day moving average. See right now that's at 41. If the breakout indeed happens in a stronger manner, watch that 10-day come up. And you can use that as a good support level and a buy and sell point. So you want to see it holding over top of the 10 if the move continues in a strong fashion. So let's look for volume to pick up more and try and give this a strong push to show it's going to blow through this resistance. Obviously been a tough time for it. Again, a pretty good example of an overall head and shoulders pattern. Pretty large one. Took about 6 months. You can see what happens when it breaks through resistances. Now you've got it trading over top of the 50 and 200-day moving averages. You can see the 200-day looks like it's going to start to curl and roll back up. Starts taking a very bullish look on. Identifying this as a true bottom, so we're going to look for continuation from this point forward. These are the things that I'll be watching for in the LI3 energy chart. As always, merely my interpretation. This is Andy with QualityStocks. Thank you for watching and trade smart.